Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, thank you very much for coming here, and I would like to start with the first topic we have is Kappa Youth. So, I want to structure Kappa Youth today. So, that's why we call Kappa Youth, all of them, and Kappa Ohio. So, I want to get approval from Kappa Ohio that is that okay we can have a legal structure approved by Kappa Ohio, so they can establish Kappa Youth with the proper designations and job descriptions and structure. So is that okay? So I would like to vote. I will ask vote starting from Sajid Bhai. If that's a yes, we can proceed for other votes.
I have a question. My question is it the part of Kappa Ohio not is separate registration?
It's under Kappa Ohio right now, so we would like to see them independent later on, inshallah. So it will be under Kappa Ohio. So I'm going to ask Sajid Bhai if you have any questions, so please ask that we can actually clarify, we can start the voting process.
The voting process can be.
Okay. Thank you. So we're going to start with Sajid Bhai. So your vote is?
Yes.
Yeah. So one vote we have counted. Furqan Bhai?
Yes.
Samina?
Yes.
Jawad Bhai?
Yes.
Amir Khan?
Yes.
Zara Beg?
Yes.
And I have proxy for Ansar Chaudhary and I have a proxy for Hasnan. But Imran didn't give anybody proxy, right? So I guess we can just keep him on the side. So we have all voted yes, other than Imran Suleiman. So he was not present today. So it's passed. So we have to structure now Kappa Youth. So what I personally suggested, I sit with Taha. So he's gonna describe the structure we have in our mind. So what I personally suggest, since Waleed was the original person we started from, so he can stay as president. And then the second person, I would say Taha. So he can be for president-elect. And the third person was Fatma Khan. She started helping us, she was the third person starting helping us. So she can stay as board chair, but I have no objection. So the Kappa Youth has to decide if they want to stay on their position, so they can start voting, or they can nominate a new person also for these designations, right? So I'm going to start with who's the first one? Laiba Ahmed. So Laiba Ahmed, do you think we should keep the positions the same way? So we're going to start voting on this issue, or we can have new nominations, or same people? Same people? So Ariba Jamal, do you think that we should keep the same people or start a new structure?
I think we can keep the same people, but I think it's also a good idea to think about co-presidency. Instead of having one president, you have two presidents.
We have a president-elect and president, yes.
So what's the president-elect? What's the difference between...
President-elect is elected for the next term already.
What about a vice president?
We can add a post for vice president, that's not a problem. I mean, we can actually, that's a good idea.
Let's do that after we go over.
One thing, the
positions.
president-elect is actually a vice president.
Until you're basically in the same system we have in America, president-elect and president. Well, like vice president basically. Vice president, yeah. So I think that's not a bad idea, but
Let's go over.
So there's a correction.
yeah, go ahead.
There's a, by definition, vice president cannot just become a president, it has to go through election process. The reason we have president-elect is supposed to actually learn how things supposed to be run. And then once that transition takes over, it's completed, then of course, there is no election for the president itself. It becomes a sort of by default, president-elect becomes a president. So there's no such thing as vice president at the moment.
At the moment,
This
yes.
is by design.
Yes, the president-elect doesn't have to be re-elected because we already elect him as a president-elect right with the president. So right now,
Let's go over the positions first.
so she wants to add her position. We're gonna keep noted her point. I think eventually we will be adding a position of vice president. We can talk about it. So Fiza Khalid, what do you think? Same people, or we should nominate new people?
I think we can keep the same people.
Same people. Rabia Khalid, what do you think? Same people. Afsha, same people. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, who's the next? Komal Khan. What do you think? Same people?
Same people.
Laiba Khan.
The same people.
Same people. You're not under pressure, right?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Kaina Chaudhary. Same people or new nomination?
Same people.
Ahmed Jamal. Same people.
Same people.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. Akib Jamal
Same people.
and Qasim Mehman.
Same people.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Muhammad Adil Jamal.
Who is our current president?
Right now, I'm proposing Taha because he started number one when he started with us, and then he was later on, and then Fatma Khan.
Do we have any right now, current?
We have actually president is Waleed and president-elect was who? Fatma Ali, and the board chair was Fatma Khan, right? Fatma Khan. So since Fatma Ali is gone, so we can actually have him as a president-elect. That's my personal, but you can decide who do you want to nominate. I'm going to go through that procedure too. So. So we're done with this. Everybody wants to keep the same positions, but the only position we're going to change is Taha. So who's in favor of Taha that Fatma Ali is gone for like 3 weeks, 3 to 6 months. So who's in a favor that we should have Taha Jawad as a president-elect, or we should have a new person who you guys want to propose? Do you have any other nomination other than Taha, or you want to be in favor, or you want to run for yourself?
Get the raised hands here.
So you're okay with him being a president-elect?
So there's a nomination process.
Right.
Let me know.
Guys, the process, the way it's supposed to work, if there's more than one person running for the position, at that time you go through the approval process and nomination, and you go through the whole 9 yards, right? But if there's only one person who's running, right, what that means is all you have to do is say yes and you're done with that.
But if they want to nominate themselves, we don't know. We don't have.
In that case, if you want to self-nominate, then that has to occur before that.
Yeah.
The nomination comes
Yeah,
first,
let's try
the
this.
election comes after.
Okay,
Makes
so
sense?
let's try this. So anybody else want to nominate? You want to nominate anybody else other than yourself, or you want to nominate yourself? No. Do you want to nominate yourself? You want to nominate any other person? Anybody has nomination? Please raise hands. So I personally think Taha is the one most deserving. So who's in favor of Taha? Please start from here. Is your vote yes for Taha? Rabia? Yes? Yes, 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 yes. All yes? Not a single no. Okay, so he's elected, I guess, officially as a president-elect. So we're going to keep our president on seat. So he's the founder of Kapavik basically, so he's going to stay, sure.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. So Fatma Khan is not president, is not present right now, so we're going to have a voting for Fatma Khan. So do you think Fatma Khan need to be replaced, or Fatma Khan should stay, or do you have any other nomination? We have no nomination other than Fatma Khan. Do we have any nomination for board chair?
No.
Anybody wants to nominate anybody else? Please, no? So we're going to start with the process since nobody is contesting. So Fatma Khan should stay. Should stay. Or let's say anybody has objection, Fatma Khan should not stay. Please raise your hand. So Fatma Khan is also elected as officially board chair for Kaaba Youth. Okay, congratulations. So we have some new positions. So if people are willing to take these positions, now they can decide among themselves who's the most favorite candidate for those positions. So he's going to announce those positions what we have. After